Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Sachin Mistry and I'm just gonna be trying to do some cooking videos or whatever. Still trying to work things out, like talking to the camera's a bit weird. But yeah, so basically I've been obsessed with this Dalgona coffee for like 2 weeks now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. So to get started, you're gonna need a bowl, some instant coffee, granulated sugar, or any sugar of your choice really, and milk of your choice. So basically with this recipe, it's a 1:1:1 ratio. So if you put 2 teaspoons of coffee, then you put 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of water. Once you've done this, then you can start whisking. This takes about a good 10-15 minutes, but trust me, it's worth it in the end.